Which one should you choose? SketchUp or Rhino 3D? SketchUp and Rhino remain two of the most popular 3D modeling software in 2025, each tailored to different needs and industries. For ease of use, we have a user-friendly and intuitive interface perfect for beginners for SketchUp. For Rhino, it is a much more complex with a steeper learning curve suited for professionals needing precision and advanced modeling tools. For modeling capabilities, SketchUp is best for architectural, interior design, and simple 3D models, offers solid basic tools and a vast library for extensions. Rhino 3D, on the other hand, excels in NURBS modeling, allowing for high detailed and complex surfaces, favored in product design, jewelry, and industrial design. With pricing, we have a huge gap. As you can see here, um, SketchUp offers 119 per year, but it is available for iPad and web only. Their most popular plan is the Pro plan, which offers a $279 per year, but this is a discounted one, and we also have a $599 per year, which also is a discounted one, but it is the most powerful plan among the three. For Rhino is that you can have a 90-day trial license with no fees at all. You also have a student discount, which is just a one-time purchase, which offers this um, inclusions right here. We also have a commercial which offers 995 bucks, which is also a one-time purchase, but it is a floating license.